Let's see what the wannabe chefs have to say about this one. I'm putting chicken in pasta again. We're making one of my favorite hometown favorites, chicken broccolini. Let's cook. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Chef Threads. I'm Devlin, and this recipe is kind of a favorite in my hometown. I'm from Youngstown, Ohio, and early histories of Youngstown, there was a lot of Italians that migrated to Youngstown, Ohio because of the steel mills. And there was a lot of poverty in that area. And so the resources were hard to come by, or people would just use stuff out of their garden. And this recipe here, I don't know when it started or how it started, but this was always a big favorite in my hometown. And in all the restaurants that I worked in, we always had this on the menu. It's chicken broccolini, and it's very simple ingredients, hardly any ingredients at all. And like I said, you could find them in any garden that people had in their backyard. So I really think you guys are going to enjoy this recipe. It's super easy and fast. And if you love pasta, and yes, I know, I'm putting chicken in pasta again. I know all the Italian critics are going to yell at me for this one, but this is just what we did. This is what we did in Youngstown, Ohio. So we're going to start this dish off with a generous amount of olive oil, because there really is no sauce with this. It's just, olive oil, garlic, butter, kind of like an aglio olio. So dump in a bunch of garlic and let that blanch off a little bit. I'm going to add some salt. If you haven't checked out any of our social media, please check that out. All of our hashtags are in the bottom left-hand corner. Next is going with our chicken. We're going to give this some pepper as well. I got some brand new pepper and salt shaker, so bear with me here. It was having a hard time coming out. But again, there really is no, sauce to this dish for the pasta. So I'm using salt and pepper generously on this dish. Also going to add just a touch of oregano, dried oregano. If you have fresh, by all means use that too, but we've always used dried oregano for this recipe. Go ahead and let your chicken cook a little bit. Mix it around in the pan. Really going to let that garlic infuse into our chicken. And then now let's go ahead and add in our broccolini. And I had this on a medium heat, guys. Not cranking at all. Just a medium heat. Just so that way everything can kind of cook together and it's not going to get burned. Now let's cook the fastest pasta ever. So while that's sauteing, we'll cook some pasta on the side. I like to cook mine al dente. So... And I know that in comments people have criticized me for that too, but that's just how I say it. Sorry. But it's going to cook in the pan. The rest of the way it's going to cook in the pan. So add that to your dish, or to your saute pan, excuse me. And then generous amount of grated Parmesan cheese. I mean a handful. Because that's going to get into the pasta and the broccolini, and it's just really going to create some nice flavors. So toss it around. Turn the heat off now. And then add in some butter pads, and then just let that melt on its own, and then kind of fold it into the pasta, and then it's going to just create a really nice sauce. Now all that's left, guys, is just go ahead and plate it up. And then I like to add more Parmesan cheese on top. And enjoy, guys. So good. Nothing beats a Youngstown staple. If you guys enjoyed today's videos, please consider giving this video a like. If you like this content, please subscribe to our channel. Love you all very much. Hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments down below. I'll be happy to answer them. And as always, guys, don't forget the threads.